Hey guys, come on in. Hello everybody, it's Katie here and welcome back to my kitchen. Today's recipe is another amazing meal prep salad in a mason jar. You guys loved the last one of the taco salad. By the way, if you haven't checked it out yet, the recipe is still there on Come On In. You can scroll back or go to the site or the app to check it out. Now, I love these meal prep salads because they are the perfect thing to create. First off, they're very simple. All the ingredients is prepped right here, but you really just throw it on in a jar, put it in the refrigerator for days, and if you are super busy or you are on the go for work, if you want to take something and you want to be healthier at work, this is perfect. Or maybe you guys just want to bring a salad to the beach for a picnic vibe, I got you. So let's make it. Today, we are making a little Mediterranean vibe, one of my favorite types of salads ever. So we are gonna start with the bottom of the jar and do the dressing. I'm gonna come in here, put a little bit of pesto, about 1.5 tablespoons of pesto on each bottom of the jars. Because I want it a little bit more oil-based, I'm gonna just come in with a little bit more olive oil, 1/2 tablespoon in each, a little bit more salt here, and extra lemon. I'm just gonna stir the dressing on the bottom. Then I'm gonna start with beans on the bottom. As you can see here, I have white beans, and then over there I have some shredded rotisserie chicken. I'm actually meal prepping this for myself for Meatless Monday. So I'm gonna be doing a little bit more beans in mine, less white beans in Lane because he is going to have that shredded chicken. So really, if you guys wanna make this vegetarian, that's also the best part about these great mason jar salads. You can really mix and match them with so many different ingredients. I'm gonna come in here with some great cherry tomatoes that are just diced in half. So fresh. I'm gonna toss in that chicken for Lane's. I'm trying to do my Meatless Mondays again, so we're just gonna skip mine. But I have the great protein with the white beans anyways. This is also a perfect thing to do on a Sunday. Coming in here with some cucumber. I love cucumber. You know what? Funny thing is, I've grown to love cucumber. I was not always a fan of cucumber. It's something that I have acquired my taste for, and now I honestly couldn't live without it. Next up, we have some red onion, and I feel like I say it's a lot with red onion, but a little goes a long way, especially in a salad. Then you guys can feel free to use romaine, or if you guys want, you guys can totally do no lettuce. Sometimes in a Greek salad, I love no lettuce, but I love arugula in this. So if I have one lettuce to recommend, it would definitely be arugula. And stuff it on in there, baby, stuff it. Yeah, that is packed to the brim. Last but definitely not least, we have some crumbled feta. Gorgeous. I'm so excited. The one with chicken looks really freaking good. And then the vegetarian one looks really good too. They're just so colorful. I'm obsessed. They are so pretty. I am going to put the top on both of them, pop them in the refrigerator, take them to work with you. Your coworkers are gonna be so jealous. Or maybe you can make them for one of your coworkers. They're so easy and so great to batch make as well. Look at that. This was my meal prep, but because I love you guys so much, I am going to plate my salad. Not Lane's with the shredded chicken. I'm just gonna show you guys what this looks like. So when you're ready to eat it, all you do is take it right out of the jar. I just take my fork, all the ingredients come right out. How gorgeous does this look? There's the feta at the bottom. Coming in here to taste test. That is so fresh, so freaking good. I love a Mediterranean salad. So simple, so healthy, and so delicious. You guys will love this mason jar meal prep Mediterranean salad. Try saying that 3 times fast. You can't. No, I'm just kidding. I'll see you guys next week on Come On In. I hope you guys love this. Take it to work and make sure to tune in next week for Come On In. Mwah. Love you guys.